Alright, I need to post this video next because I couldn't delete the other one before I could fix this. But before I could get an answer, I went ahead and fixed it. Yes. Right here on the other side of this is a set screw. Took the set screw out. Was able to unthread this, clean it, threaded it back in, tightened it. Half nut is working perfectly now. Nice and tight, stays up. Oh, there you go. So, problem solved. I guess I can go ahead and put all my bolts back in the carriage, clean all those up, clean all the parts up. There's the thread chaser. Nice shape. Even has instructions. Can put this piece back in. Goes on the back side, underneath there. So, thought that was going to be a big problem. Turned out to be a minor problem. That's how we like them. Next. Changing a gear. Got one tooth missing. So, hope I don't have to make it.